Welcome back YouTube. I hope everyone is having a great day. Let's start with our next challenge, level 1. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in the file called dash, located in the home directory. So let's head over to our terminal. Here we are still logged in with the password that we retrieved in our previous video. So if you didn't watch that, make sure to watch that one first. Now, currently we are already in the home directory. If you weren't, change directory. We list the files in our home directory. We see the file that we want. Now, dash is a special file name. So let's see how we will handle that. We will use the cat command to read it. Dot. In terminal vocabulary, 1 dot means current directory, 2 dots means parent directory. We want to access the files in our current directory, dash, and there we have our solution. To log out, we can either use logout, exit, or Ctrl D. Now we will log in to level 2 with this password that we obtained in our level 1. We successfully signed in, which means we completed level 1. Now, to register our completion on the scoreboard, we type the reachAll command. Everything is successfully synced. We want to check it for sure on the website. We update and we see we solved successfully level 0 and level 1. Congratulations, you rock! Thanks for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.